Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2011 Ford F-550 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, four-wheel drive, just a little over 152,000 miles. Has an IMT Dominator service body, 11-foot length. You have the cab high tall bins on both the driver and the passenger side. Really nice service bed. It has the all-in-one air compressor that includes a hydraulic welder and generator, a 3820 crane, two-stage hydraulic extension out to 20 feet, run off a factory wireless remote, and a 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity. The goal of these videos is to show you everything you'd want to see about the truck if you were here looking at it in person. So if you need any more up close pictures, videos, or any more information on it, please feel free to give us a shout. 804-716-8487 is the cell here. You can call or text that number. So I'm going to walk around and kind of give a cosmetic overview. The second half of the video we'll do a cold start, a drive, and then an equipment demonstration. But the goal right now is just to show you how the truck shows, just like you were here looking at it in person. So you see the floor rubber there is ripped where your heel would go. You have some wear there and a little bit of wear there on the driver's side seat bolster. Just a couple small cracks in the vinyl. It is roll-up windows, manual locks. The entire service body was just sandblasted and repainted, just the exterior of it. You can see the reflection in it. It does show like new. All the doors close, latch, lock, and seal as they should. All the bin doors have matching lock codes, so they all lock and unlock off the same key. This truck was a fleet-owned truck, one owner, came to us out of North Dakota. So pretty dry underneath, a little bit of surface rust here and there as you see, but nothing really to be concerned about. Here's your torch cabinet here. You have your welder control panel, all your leads, bottle racks in here. As you can see, bin floor, just a little dirty but nice and dry, no rust there. There's your hour meter on the welder, 2,126. Looks like they use that quite a bit. The hour meters in the crane compartment show crazy low hours that I do not think are accurate. I'll show them anyway, but I don't think that they have anything close to any accuracy because it does not seem right. Just on this inner door panel here, you have a little bit of rust on the inside of it. Pretty common on these IMTs, just that bottom metal piece catches water. You have your wheel chocks, go right there. Again, frame, pretty well rust free. Underside of the bed, if I can get a good shot of it, is also clean. So drive tires are new, Falcons matching across the rear, and then the Falcon steer tires up front are more of a highway tread. These drives are more of a mixed terrain. A little bit of surface rust here along the door seams, or bin seams I should say. Another common area on IMTs. Nothing poking through or nothing really major to be concerned about, just a little bit of that surface rust along that bottom area there. You do have one product tank up here. There's a reel on the other side, and then your transfer valve is over there as well. We'll get to that. Here's your crane compartment here. You have your factory wireless remote, emergency tether. This is the lock for the outrigger. It's hydraulic extension. There's your hose reel. I was already running the crane and compressor, so it's got a little bit of air still in the system. And like I said, it's showing very low hours on the crane, compressor, and chassis, but I do not think those are accurate. But that's what it's showing. Obviously, new bed liner was applied to the rear bumper here. You have your pass-through rear compartments back here. If I can get this open here. Nice and clean. These are your master locks, so you can lock all the bins at once if you just padlock that over there, which is nice to have in addition to the individual locks. You have your factory tow hitch receiver, trailer plug, full-size spare, factory tie-downs in the bed. There's a shot of the crane. Crane works great, super smooth, super quick operation. Everything's run off that factory remote. It's all wired up right, so you can start, stop the engine, start, stop the compressor. As soon as you start running the crane, it idles up all on its own. This is just obviously dirt and whatnot. Some shelving in this compartment. I think the truck's equipped pretty well. That all-in-one unit is nice to have, doesn't take up a ton of space. You kind of have everything all in that one box. Compressor works great. Like I said, the crane works great. It's another common area on IMTs, just the spot where the door rods go into. And then same thing as the other side, along the rear of the body there, you got a little bit of that going on. Again, matching drives back here. Then another shot of your frame rail and your suspension. Again, the number is 804-716-8487. If you do have any questions, you can call or text that number anytime. It's a cell phone number. So you have one full set of bolt drawers in this side. It's for the product tank that's in the back. And then this is your reel. I don't think I showed this yet. That's your reel for it as well. So pretty nice full set of drawers here. Tons of storage there. And again, kind of a nice setup bed with having the cab high bins, not just on the passenger side where your torch compartment is, but also on the driver's side. Gives you plenty of extra storage there. Bed has a build date of August 2011. So I would assume that the bed has always been on this truck. Got caught on some of that light wiring. All right, that's about it for the cosmetic portion. We'll get into a cold start, a drive, and then I'll demonstrate all the equipment. Again, if you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. Thanks. here underneath the standard PTO chatter. Engage the PTO. Obviously it goes away. Again, this truck is four-wheel drive as well. Four new drive tires, two new steer tires. You do have this nice laptop mount inverter down here. Shift smooth, plenty of power. Nice straight shot down the road. Drives nice with these having all six new tires. Wait for this car to pass and see if we can make this loop here. That's just the laptop now. Truck actually drives great. Here's your crane control box. This is the hours that's showing in this box. I showed the hours off the dash earlier. I think those are correct. I don't believe that these hours are correct back here. It does have some lighting. Obviously your outrigger controls are there. So you have work light here off the crane side in the front. You have a couple work lights right here in the back, full-size spare in the bed, and then one more light up here in the front as well. You have your factory IMT wireless remote, hydraulic outriggers, crane side, this hydraulic extension. The non-crane side or driver side is just a fixed, does not extend, but it is hydraulic up and down as well. Obviously you have your hose reel back here and then your emergency tether if your remote runs out of battery. This is for the generator welder. It's all one unit on that other side, part of the compressor as well. Idles it up. Here's your control panel. All your leads are right there. Turns the compressor on from the remote. Again, idles up. Air hose hose comes out the back right here. Nice quiet operation, builds air pressure quickly. You have that one product tank here mounted under the crane. Here's your oil reel. Pin's locked. That's where the transfer valve is. Super smooth crane operation. As soon as you go to operate the crane, you get the idle up. So pretty fast as well. It is proportional off the trigger, so you can control the speed. This is wide open throttle on the trigger. We'll let that winch down a little bit. £7,500 maximum lifting capacity. It's a 20-foot max extension. This is light on the trigger, and then that's wide open. So if you go wide open, it really opens up. It's a pretty fast operation, really. Hey, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, it's a 2011 with just a little over 152,000 miles, 6.7 power stroke diesel, 4-wheel drive, 7,500 pound crane. Really well equipped truck, lots of options on it, extremely clean. IMT Dominator service body. If you have any questions, you can call or text 804-716-8487. This is all that we buy and sell. As you can see, I have plenty of mechanics trucks available. If you're interested in something with a different setup, different price, lower miles, bigger crane, smaller crane, give us a shout. I have plenty to choose from. We have new arrivals coming in on a daily basis. I do have commercial financing available through our lending partners, so if you need help with that, let us know and we can ship anywhere in the US. So thanks again for watching. I do appreciate it.